Did you know that creating a TAJ portal login does not automatically give you access to TAJ eServices? Many users create the login but never complete the eService registration, which means they miss out on useful features like applying for a tax compliance certificate, updating their addresses, or viewing important notices from Tax Administration Jamaica. In this video, you will learn how to register for TAJ eServices step by step. And if you want more simple step-by-step guides for Jamaica Tax Office processes, consider subscribing to the channel. Let's start the first part of the process, creating your web logon. First, go to Tax Administration website at www.jamaicatax.gov.jm, select Login in the top right-hand corner or choose Client Login. On the login page, select Create Account. You will need to enter your first name, middle name if applicable, your last name, a web logon, maximum 12 characters, and an email address. Remember, only one email address can be associated with each web logon. One important thing to also note that whether the account is for an individual or a company, the name entered here should be the person managing the account. Complete the captcha verification, then click Save. After creating the account, a temporary password will appear on the screen and you will also receive it by email. Next step, log in and update password. Use this temporary password to log in to your new account. You will then be asked to review the privacy, security, and accessibility policy. Select I agree to continue. Next, update your password by selecting Edit Profile to view your account information. Then, enter the temporary password as your current password, create a new password, confirm the new password. You will also need to set security questions. You can either select a question from the list or create your own. Once finished, click Save and then close the window. Next, applying for an eService account. Now that your web account is created, the next step is to apply for eService access. Select Apply for eService account. An information page will appear explaining about the service, what you need, what happens after you finish. Review this information, then select Next. Enter account details. You will now enter the account information. First, choose whether the account is for an individual or an organization. For this example, we'll select individual. Enter your name, TRN, email address, phone number. Next, answer the security questions. Then select Next. Then enter the account manager's details. Since the account belongs to you, you will enter your name, TRN, position, email address. The web logon created will be displayed. Now you will need to upload an identification document. Select Add Attachment and upload one of the following: driver's license or a passport or a voter's ID. You also have the option to add another user to manage your account. For example, today we'll select No. Select Next and review all the information you entered. If everything is correct, select Submit. Confirm your email address and click OK. You will then see a confirmation page. Tax Administration will process your request usually within 3 working days. After approval, you may return to Tax Administration website at www.jamaicatax.gov.jm and log in. Select Manage My eService account. From here, the I Want to menu will show the services available to you, such as updating your address, printing your TRN assignment letter, applying for tax compliance certificates, as well as you will be able to send messages to Tax Administration Jamaica and view notices from TAJ. I'll be creating more videos showing how to use the different services available in the TAJ eServices portal. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Thanks for watching Simple Tax Steps JA. No stress, just simple steps.